Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I have another Hobby Lobby shop with me video for you guys. Now I told you guys last time I went, if you wanted me to go again and show some more things, let me know. And some of you asked me to look for some things. And so I decided to go out this weekend and do that. And I found some more great things. So if you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Now let's get right into this. I found some beautiful lanterns here. These ones are $39.99 for these black lanterns with the pine on them and the buffalo check bow. And then they have these really pretty red ones down here for $36.99. And up here on top, they have these really cute snowman lanterns with the little LED candles in them. And these were $44.99. Now remember, everything that is Christmas at Hobby Lobby is 50% off. These snowman lanterns are only like $22.50. Great deal on those. Now this little one here is $29.99. So that would be $15 for this little one. Love that. Love the shape of that. I'm loving lanterns. I just love them. I actually wish I had more than what I do. This one is $50. This nice, great big large one. So that would only be $25 with their sale price. And now here's one of the smaller ones for $12.99. So look how pretty that is. And that would only be $6.50. And then they have the wood ones down there. And then these right here with the wire on the inside are $39.99. So that would only be $20 on sale. And now these white ones are just like those smaller black ones that I just showed you. These are $12.99, so these would only be $6 a piece. For a winter wedding, those would make beautiful centerpieces. And then they have this real small one up here on top for only $6.99, so that would only be $3.50. And then they had this really nice large galvanized believe sign for $42.99. And then I walked over into their Nutcracker aisle and they had literally so many Nutcrackers. It was crazy how many rows of Nutcrackers. Let me just show you a little bit here and then I'll take you in and I will actually give you some prices on these. But let me just kind of show you here all the Nutcrackers that they had. And there was just so many. It was crazy. So I'm not going to show you the price of every single one, but I'm going to show you numerous prices on them. Now let's start here. Let me take you in on these. This size were $8.99. And this is just under 7 inches for these. And these are all the jewel toned ones. And then these little bit larger ones are $25.99. And I think he was about 14 inches, if I remember right. And all of them that were up there on this shelf, yeah, these were, well, I guess they're almost 15 inches. All these up here were all $25.99. I really like this black and white one here with the little silver. And again, he was $25.99. Now he is a 16-inch. So pretty. I absolutely love Nutcrackers. I love the fact that you can get them and there's so seldom will you ever find two that are exactly the same. Now, I love his cape on this one. Really had to stop myself from getting this. He was only $25.99. And again, these are all half off. So that would only be like $13 for him or for any of those that I just showed you. Now here they have some taller ones. Let me show you how much these are. These were $49.99 and these are 24-inch tall Nutcrackers. So cute. I love this red one. You guys know I absolutely love my reds. And again, he was $49.99. So half off would only be $25. Then they have Nutcrackers from the Nutcracker Suite. And he is $13.99, so it'd be half off from that, which would be $7 for these. Now these are shorter, but they are so cute, especially if you love going to the ballet. These are just a great collection. I really need to start collecting some of these ones. And again, all these right in here are $13.99. Even this little gnome one here is also $13.99. And then down here, let me show you a few more. Now here is a snowman nutcracker, and he is $14.99. So that would be $7.50 on sale. And then they have the Charlie Brown and the Snoopy. And these peanut ones are $34.99. And let me just show you, it's the same here with Snoopy. So cute. And then here's some more from the Nutcracker Suite Ballet. So pretty. I love this one. And let me show you how much they are. They're $25.99. Love that one. Just so whimsical. I just love that. And my family loves the Nutcracker Ballet. My daughters look forward to going to that every year. And like I said, you can see these are all the same price, $29.99. So these would be $15 on sale. Then they have these two really pretty silver ones. And I think I like this one with the fur hat to him. He is $25.99, excuse me. And then they have this one with the glittered hat to him, and he also is $25.99. Really like both of those. And look how much fun these are. Love these. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen my Nutcracker tree that I did. I think it was the year before last. If you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and leave a link up above here, and you guys can see how to put these nutcrackers into your tree. And I made a complete nutcracker tree. Now this one I just showed you for $25.99. I almost bought that one last year. I came really close to it, and then I didn't. Now, if you're going for a more monochromatic look this year, this one is great. I'm loving the look of him. And the hats are both a little bit different on those two. And these up here, let me see if I can't grab this price tag out here. Now they have a lot in stock, so everything is very, very full. This is $13.99, so these are $7 a piece. So I've been very careful not to knock anything else down while I was trying to grab these here. And I love the ones with the capes. Now look how adorable she is. She is $13.99 as well, so that is $7. And this one also is $13.99, so $7. They have so many different themed ones. These are great whether you have a man or a boy who collects them, or a daughter, whatever. There's something for everybody on these. This one also is $13.99. Now, I tend to be more partial towards the kings and the soldiers myself, but I do like some of the other ones. This is $17.99. And Maria, this is the only pure gold one that I found. You asked me to look to see if I could find a gold one. And this is the closest to gold I could find for you. This one was $17.99, and this is a 9-inch nutcracker. Now, next to those silver ones that I showed you a minute ago, there was an empty slot there, so I don't know if they're going to get some larger gold ones and fill that empty slot right next to those silver ones. I don't know. Look how adorable this one is with the chef's hat and the gingerbreads. Let me see if I can't get him in focus here. He is $25.99. And he is 15 inches or just barely under. That would look so cute in a gingerbread or a peppermint type theme. Loving those. Here is another snowman one, a little bit different from the last one I showed you. This one's a good size, and let me show you here. This is $25.99, and then this is a nice, really large one here. Let me see if I can't find his price tag. He is $49.99. Loving that. So that is a look at their nutcrackers. Now let me show you a few other things that they have as well. They have multiple bells of different shapes and sounds. These were so great. Let me take you in, show you how much these were. This one is $13.99, and this came in the white, the silver, and the red. Here is some gold ones with the holly on top, and that was $17.99. And then here for $9.99 are the sleigh bell jingle bells. Love the sound of these. And half off of that, that's only $5 for those. What a great deal that is. Love that. And you can get those in the buffalo plaid as well. Now here are the cluster ones in the red or the silver for $14.99. Then down here is a little felt envelope for $4.99. So if you don't have a whole mailbox to put the letters to Santa in, here is a really cute and very affordable felt envelope. Now up here, these gold ones are $13.99, and they come in the gold, the red, or the silver. And then this type is $14.99 for this shape bell in the silver or the gold. Now let's go on over to the candle holders, and let me show you some of these. This one is $12.99. Love that with a little snowman on it, so pretty. And then this is a little bit larger glass one here with the red cardinal on it. And this one, let me turn it around here and show you. This is $16.99. And then they have some of these small ones here for $5.99. And those came in the silver and the gold. And then they have this type for $4.99. I love having a ton of candles sitting out around Christmas time. So I love having all the different candle holders. Now this one's $8.99 with the red truck. And do remember, all this is half off. Here are some of their birch ones. This one is $14.99. And then this a little bit taller one is $18.99. And they did have a little bit shorter one yet back in there, but with as crowded as what it was, I didn't grab that one to show you. Now this black tea light candle holder here is $7.99 in the black Christmas tree here. And then they have some of the Advent candle holders down here. Let me show you a couple of these. Here's one in the gold or brass color, and this one is $28.99. And let me show you this one. They also have some of these in like the antler look here, and this one right here is $18.99. So that would be what, $9.50 with half off. This one is $14.99. And then let's see, can I show you this without taking it out? Maybe not. Let me pull this out here. and show you this. And this one is $19.99, so $10 for that on sale. So if you like the Advent candle holders, and then let me show you some of their regular standalone candle holders down here. This one is $28.99. And then the larger one is $39.99. And it looks like they just have those two sizes in that type right now. Here is a wood one, and this is $29.99. And then they have two sizes in this red. And let me show you these. This is $24.99. And let me grab the larger one. This one is $29.99 for the larger one. And again, half off, that would only be $15 for the large one. And they have those in the white as well. And then let me show you these raw iron ones. The large one is $26.99. The medium size is $24.99, and then the small one is $21.99. So those they do have in all three sizes. And then let me show you some candle rings to go around your candles. They have the red and white one for $9.99. The red and white candy with the green in there is $11.99. The frosted berry is $4.99. Then you have this one, which is $15.99. On down here to the pine with the berry and the pine cones, so pretty. And that one is $24.99. Now here is a really pretty frosted one, and this is $29.99. And again, half off is $15 for that one. Look how gorgeous this one is. This berry, love it. $29.99. And here is this one for $29.99 with the white berries on it. And then here's the frosted one, also for the same price. And then here is this like mistletoe, and that was $41.99. So half off from that would be $21. Then they have another one of these pine ones for $24.99. And then they have this really large frosted one that extends out both directions. This is perfect for a dining room table for $39.99. That is very large. Love that. Here is a smaller one for $15.99. Now, let me show you some of their potpourri and decor fillers. This is the unscented. You can see how large these bags are. Here is one with the pine and the cinnamon and the pine cones. Love that. Oh, forgot to show you the price on here. Let me show you this. This is $24.99. Love this. So pretty. So they do have those nice big bags of Christmas filler. They also have some birch sticks. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and stay tuned because I have a few more coming with some things that maybe you don't always see on everybody else's videos. I try and give you a little bit of things that maybe not everybody else is showing as well. So if you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.